Crocheting Glamour. In today's tutorial I will be using a 6mm size J crochet hook. Now in today's tutorial I'm teaching you the slip stitch. So we go into the second from the hook and we yarn over, and we pull through, and then we pull through. Okay, let's do that again. So you go in, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Okay, let's try that again. Go in the chain, yarn over, pull through, first one and the second one. Okay, again, go in, yarn over, pull through and pull through. And again, go into the chain, yarn over, pull through and pull through. Now normally when you do these in a pattern you won't do them so tight, otherwise when you do your next row or round you won't get your hook into them, so you try and do them loose. So go in, yarn over, pull through and pull through. Okay, go in, yarn over, pull through and pull through. Go in, yarn over, pull through and pull through. And the last one, go in, yarn over, pull through and pull through. Let me just pull out my hook. And that is your slip stitch. Okay, I know it's a short tutorial today, but if you need to keep practicing, just pause the video, rewind it back to the start and keep practicing that one. I know it's a bit tricky, but you'll get the hang of it. Thanks for watching. Bye.